He just sits here and talks. I love this bird. He's great. Yeah. And whatever Bobo's doing, he jumps in. He has to participate. But he's getting jumped on a little bit. Yeah, you have something to say, don't you? This morning we just had breakfast. We just had breakfast, huh? Yeah. Typical. He's just fascinated by my glasses. Yeah. That little birdie? Can you see that birdie there? Yeah, that's you. He's a happy bird. He's only 2 months old. He's just sitting on my finger for the longest time. Yeah. What do you think about that bird, huh? Isn't it beautiful? That's just the cage. Yeah, that's just the cage. Hello, sweetie. Yeah, we're doing the blink eyes. Yeah. What a doll. Oh, I see. It's nap time. Uh-oh.